A 15-year-old boy accused of bringing a loaded handgun to a Southern Tier high school returned to court today to face the charges. News 4's Al Vaughters brings us the very latest on this story tonight. Al?
Don, the Pioneer High School student is actually facing charges in two courts. Weapons charges in Cattaraugus County Court, and because of his age, juvenile delinquency counts in family court. Now, the loaded semi-automatic handgun the teenager was carrying has authorities especially concerned. The 15-year-old student was arraigned on felony weapons charges as an adult. The .40 caliber Glock handgun authorities say he had tucked in his waistband was loaded.
I saw the magazine in it last night, had 15 rounds in it.
Cattaraugus County Sheriff's Captain Robert Buchard told us by law a clip is only supposed to hold 10 rounds maximum. But the gun was not in the ready position when police took it from the teenager in school as he was removed from class. The gun was also stolen.
We are still trying to determine where this weapon came from. We have a pretty good idea.
So why would a student bring a loaded handgun to school? Authorities confirm the teenager is on probation, but because of his youthful status, that case file is sealed. Could bullying have been an issue? Police and school officials say they have yet to uncover any evidence the gun was part of a revenge or bullying scenario. But Pioneer Central school officials are proactive in dealing with bullying. Just this week, the district hosted an anti-bullying forum, and it was the high school's resource officer, a sheriff's deputy, who took the 15-year-old into custody and seized the gun.
The school resource officer is still doing his investigation on this and doing a lot of follow-up along with our investigators.
And even though the gun was loaded, officials don't believe the student meant to use it.
This was not brought in, the gun was not brought in with any intent to cause any harm to any students.
Now, the 15-year-old is being held at the Erie County Youth Detention Facility here in Buffalo. Pioneer Central school officials say if the gun charges are upheld by a hearing officer, the student could face up to a year's suspension. Al Vaughters, News 4 at 5:30.